How do we enter data in an Excel spreadsheet? There are a number of different ways that we can do this. When you first get into Excel, you'll notice that you have all of these cells here, and as we've discussed in the prior video, the columns are designated by letters and the rows are designated by numbers, and then each cell is an intersection of a row and a column, and that's going to be referred to by the column and then the number. So this would be cell D3 and E3 and so on. Now, if you need to enter data, what you can do is just go to the cell that you want to click on with the mouse, or you can use your arrow keys to go around inside of there. But you can go in and enter that and do that, and then begin to enter information. Now, if I want to just completely overwrite this information, I can just start typing here, and it will allow me to do that. Okay. Or to update information, let me undo that. Need to update information, I can come in here and double click with my mouse, and it's going to allow me to put my cursor into a particular area and make an edit to that number. So I can make changes within the cell. I can also make changes up here in the formula bar. Okay, later on we'll talk about how to enter formulas here, but for now you can also use this area to go in and make changes. When you hit enter, Excel is typically going to go down to the next row. If you want to move over to the next cell when you're entering things, you can hit the tab key and that will move you over one cell, or the arrow key as we've mentioned. The other thing that you may need to do in Excel is to be able to highlight cells. So if you're wanting to select several cells at once, you can come in and click on one cell with the mouse, and then holding down the mouse key, just drag across to have the cells that you want to highlight, and then you can let up on the mouse, and then those cells are highlighted. Or I can come in here and I can hold down my shift key on the keyboard and then use the arrow keys to select the area that I want highlighted.